Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Gambly tutorial. Today, we are going to be going over individual sport querying with a focus on PGA. Within PGA, we have a few different ways in which we could search for odds. First is the pre and live tournament odds. As of the recording of this video, PGA is the only sport in which we allow for and cover for live odds. That means even during the round of tournaments, you can search for and query what the odds are for the current PGA tournament, as well as plenty of other options. Now, the two other features that we here at Gambly support for PGA querying is player props and futures. So let's go ahead and give you a couple examples of each. At the time of recording this, it is the Sony Open. So we're going to start off with our most basic golf query, which is typing in the tournament name and the odds. So Sony Open odds, we're going to submit that to Gambly. And what Gambly is going to do here is return all of the available odds for the tournament. So as you can see here, it'll start with winners, then it'll move on to first round leaders. Then, of course, all of the each way bets, top 5, first round top 5, top 10, top 20, any 3-ball matchups that are out there, any regular tournament matchups that are out there, as well as to make the cut, top 30, wire to wire, and any other odds that may be available from the sportsbook that Gambly covers for PGA odds. Now, you can also get very specific here, and we know that Sahith Theegala is playing in the Sony Open here this week. So we're going to put in Sahith Theegala Sony Open odds. And now this is going to focus on just Sahith Theegala. What Gambly will return here is any and all available odds for Sahith Theegala. That includes winner, top 5, top 20, first round leader, top 30, make the cut, and as you can see, all of the other available odds. Now, the last thing that you can do with PGA querying is search for futures. Now, we know that most of the major championships put out odds way prior to the event. So to do that, just simply type in the name of the event again and put our word there at the end, odds, press submit. And there, Gambly will retrieve any available Masters odds that are currently available. And as you can see here, a couple of books already have them out. Again, this is done during the Sony Open in January. So as you can see, we're about 3 months away. And Scotty Scheffler, still even with his hand injury, has the lowest odds to win at 4-1. So there you have it. That is the individual sport querying for PGA. Again, to search for PGA querying, you can do pre and live tournament odds, player props, and futures. So thanks for joining, everybody. Be sure to check out our other Gambly tutorials, including our other individual sport querying, plus our Gambly features tutorial, which goes over all of the exciting and important features to make sure that you get the most out of your gambling experience.